Travis Hunter is the Associate AP College Football Player of the Year. He also won the Walter Camp Player of the Year award, along with the Chuck Bednarik and the Biletnikoff Award as the top receiver, and he should have won the Thorpe Award.
That's not the only one. He got one more coming too now.
The 2024 Heisman Award goes to Travis Hunter.
They just get it off into the end zone. Contact. What a catch! A miraculous, implausible, impossible catch by 12.
Tyler Nicolosi has time, steps through the pocket, throwing on the run, and it's picked off. And that's Hunter, the two-time All-American.
Sanders taking a shot, got a man! Room service, touchdown! Hunter! Sanders pulls it out into the end zone. Touchdown, Hunter!
Unbelievable ball skills and trust from Shedeur Sanders.
Pressure coming. Shedeur gets out a dart, complete to Hunter. On the move, showing him his shoe bottoms. Buffaloes crib it. Touchdown!
On first and goal. It's Richardson. Ball's out. That ball is out. Ball game's over. Colorado wins the Big 12 opener.
First down and 10. Play action. Sanders throws for Hunter. He'll walk in for 6. On the play fake. Clean pocket. Still perfect. Hunter spins and pulls away. Travis Hunter inside the 10.
2nd and 4. Sanders again fires. End zone. Hunter caught it. Touchdown. Released. Touchdown. Travis Hunter.
Guns it. Sanders in a pocket. Oh, what a catch. Travis Hunter.
The field right here. So Hunter is going to take off to that corner of the field, and then it's literally a jump ball. He turns around and he gives his chest to the quarterback, and it's in between two players, and he just rises above them to get it. Gus, what are we watching? This guy is unbelievable.
On first down, Jefferson gets away from one, and superhuman pick from Travis Hunter. Downfield, up in the air, and it's caught despite the pass interference.
Hunter on the left side. Pitch from Offerdahl, dead to rights.
Steps up, Hunter dives, touchdown, Colorado. Throws it up the sideline. Intercepted. Hunter, he's got a block. Travis Hunter. Of 6, Smith, backside pressure, got it away. Picked off at the 30. Travis Hunter, another one. Yeah, they can do their little dance. Another pick for number 12.
2nd down screen. It's Hunter. He wanted the ball, and that's why. Look out. Sanders down the field, and a wide open Hunter. Nobody near him in space and in talent.
You can't play him man. You can't play him zone. What can you do?
Put the cape on him already.